English step by step. How to use a and the. Step 2. In this step you'll find a practice exercise, so make sure you use step 1 to see the examples and the explanations. So here we have the practice exercise, so fill in the gaps using the words on the right, and for all of these sentences, for all of these examples, use the definite article, the. You can see on the right here, the flat, the mobile phone, the government, the moon, the homeless, the city centre, the mosquito, the branches, and the world. So, I'll leave this exercise on the screen for 1 minute. You can of course pause the video if you need more time. So when you've finished, move on to the step 3 video in which I'll talk about and explain the answers.